Hey everyone, starting a business is an exciting journey, but it is essential to have the right legal frameworks in place to protect your venture and to ensure smooth operations. In Singapore, selecting the right business structure is the first crucial step. The common options include a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a private limited company. A sole proprietorship is ideal for single owners seeking minimal formalities and low startup costs, although it comes with a drawback of personal liability for business debts. A partnership, on the other hand, is suitable for businesses with multiple owners, and this offers ease of setup, but requires all partners to share liability for the business's obligations. A private limited company, on the other hand, being a separate legal entity, limits personal liability, allows the company to own property, and provides a more robust framework for growth. Once you've chosen the appropriate business structure, the next step is to formalize it with legal documents. For partnerships, a partnership agreement is essential. This document outlines each partner's responsibilities, profit sharing ratios, procedure for adding or removing partners, and methods for resolving disputes. For private limited companies, a shareholders agreement plays a similar role, detailing the rights and obligations of shareholders, company policies, dividend distribution, board composition, shareholders meeting, anti-dilution. These agreements act as the operational blueprints of your business, ensuring clarity and preventing conflicts. When securing funding for your business, it's important to document the terms of any financial arrangements. A promissory note can be used to record a borrower's written promise to repay a specific sum under defined terms, which is often helpful when borrowing from friends or family. However, for more formal arrangements such as loans from financial institutions or from companies, a commercial loan agreement provides detailed terms, including repayment schedules and covenants. These documents create transparency and set clear expectations for all parties involved. For businesses operating online, having terms of service and a privacy policy is crucial. The terms of service governs user interactions with your website or app, setting out acceptable use, limitations of liability, and user responsibilities. A privacy policy, which is a legal requirement under Singapore's Personal Data Protection Act, informs users about how their personal data is collected, used, and protected. These documents not only ensure compliance with the law, but also builds trust with users. As your startup grows and you begin hiring staff, employment agreements become essential. These contracts should clearly define job roles and responsibilities, compensation and benefits, confidentiality obligations, and termination conditions. Well-drafted agreements help prevent misunderstandings and protect both the employers and the employees' rights. Intellectual property protection is another critical area for startups. To safeguard your unique creations, consider using non-disclosure agreements when sharing sensitive information with employees, partners, or third parties. Additionally, intellectual property assignment agreements ensure that any intellectual property developed by employees or contractors belong to the company. Properly securing your intellectual property protects your competitive advantage and ensures that the business retains ownership of valuable assets. When selling goods or services, it is essential to have sales and service agreements in place. These agreements outline the terms of sale, delivery, warranties, and payment conditions, setting clear expectations and reducing the risk of disputes with customers much later on. Additionally, depending on your industry, you may need specific licenses to operate legally in Singapore. Identifying and obtaining the necessary licenses is critical to avoid fines or business closures. Establishing a startup involves navigating a complex legal landscape, but securing these key documents lays a solid foundation for success. Each document serves a specific purpose, from formalizing your business structure to protecting your intellectual property and managing relationships with employees, investors, and customers. By prioritizing these legal frameworks, you ensure that your business is equipped to grow and thrive in Singapore's competitive market. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.